Okay, welcome ulit po tayo. This is a video on demand para sa aking kaibigan. Welcome po sa third and last game po para sa semifinals match between Hairbox Asintados, clad in white po yan. Yan po, headed by Kalisin and Company along with Scott, and nandiyan din po yung kanilang coach po. Ang kaysa naman po, ito naman sina Velasco and Company po. Yan po ang Super Friends, or shall we say no, ASM Friendship po. De facto ASM Friendship po yan. Ako po yung host of yung RBGBG Vlogs with you. And well, dinipin na pabiyakot po sa ating third and final game between Ayesha and Friends, or shall we say Super Friends versus ito po ang Hairbox Asintados. Yan pala po si Hairbox, yung kanilang pinang stakeholder. Hairbox, good luck po sa team mo. Yan pala stakeholder po nila, headed by Kalisin. Nandiyan po si HB Kicks at si Scott po. Dito naman po, of course, si Greg Delong. Dito naman po si Nagato. Kasama na po dyan po si Naibara, si Del Pilar at si Bondesto. Yan po ang magdadala po for sure po sa Super Friends. Well, with just a matter of minutes, let's say 5 minutes or more, we'll start now the final game of the best of 3 series between Ayesha and of course Ayesha, or shall we say Super Friends versus Hairbox Asintados. Okay, Trolong to is watching, and this game is all brought to you by PS Bigo Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat. We're live always on Tuesday Basketball in Action. Tuesday Basketball in Action po. Tuesday Basketball in Action po always sa Burning Season International School in Doha. And this game, sa ano po pala po sa PHBL, was also supported by Janice Gumetio. Mamili po kayo, Team Spicy, Team Normal. Yan po ang Janice Gumetio. Yan, tara. Okay, si Mimpola is watching. Pero katabi lang kita, nanonood ka pa? Facebook. Ano yung Martin Evaristo Vlogs? Martin Evaristo, yung talaga pinakano ko. Yung Arvin Evaristo ko, ano yung personal ko yun? Ito yung parang pang business ko, na ano talaga, na FB page. Sige, when about a matter of minutes po, magsisimula po ang last final installment po ng kanilang Best of 3 series. Yan po ang Ayesha Friends, or say Super Friends, clad in red and orange combinations versus clad in gold naman and white is nandiyan po ang Hairbox Asintados. We're just waiting up for the opening whistle. Okay, mananalo para po dito will join the one already cleared search final spot po. Yan po ang Cardinals team. Yan po naman po ang team nila Talents and Company po. Nagkantay na po sila. Yan po mga kalaban po nila na kumanala po sino po between Super Friends and Hairbox Asintados. Okay, this commissioned by Mr. Dino. Yan po ang kapuan rin po ng Janice Committee. Kasama ng coaching staff po yan para Janice Committee. And congratulations po, yes, din po pala po for winning over sa TikTok Kicks. Naman, tapong pala sa laro ito. Yan, also si Winwin Kalukumbos watching. Si Chepox, Kalukumbos watching. Comment lang kayo sila, okay magalala ha. Okay. Super Friends and Hairbox Asintados coming up next. Medyo na-depleted ang ano. I think ito problema kasi pag talaga sa ano napapansin ko lang pag weekdays talaga, medyo depleted talaga ang lineup ng both teams. Kasi, weekdays kasi. Pero kung weekends siya, malamang kompleto yung dalawa, both teams po. Pero we'll see what will happen. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle between Super Friends and Hairbox Asintado. Si Bara din. Yung kanyang, I believe so, yung kanyang presensya, malaramdaman natin pag tumira na 3 points siya. Kabila natin, meron din sa mga pang-Birdod din. Nandiyan sila Lorenia, si Kalishin of course. Of course, nandiyan si Kat din. Si Greg DeRose for sure, o for position na yan, napapansin ko. Yung kanyang ginagawa sa ibang, like sa Janus Gomez, gagawin niya. Si Greg De La Cruz. Ay, wala si... Ay, may siber. May sila pa dun, te. Ay, te, musta? Okay, final both teams now have received the final instructions from their coaches. And I think so, hindi na to usong barangay rules also dahil si semifinals na. Bali, kung mangyari po, kung may babangko po talaga to ensure just to win this game. Okay. Okay. Both coaches, I think so, they're being called. Okay, final game na between Ayesha Friends or Super Friends rather versus yan po ang Hairbox Asintados. On the way. Okay. Velasco and Lara for the opening toss. This game also has been simulcast also sa kanilang official FB page po ng Pinoy Hoopers Basketball League. If you want to see it with complete with score also, nando po yun. And Greg De La Cruz now had the tip off already. Let's cut now then to Kalishin. Let's cut for 3. Bang! 3 points cut. 3-none. Scala. Bibara naman. Opening. Okay. Cylinder for sure. Ibarra give Escat called for the foul. Ibarra 71. Shooting for 3. Ibarra. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot po tayo. Second shot. It's out also. Okay, last throw. Jumpers ready po for both teams. Last throw. Jumpers ready. Dal torso corner. Screen none. Pops up. It's in. 3-1. Kalishin. Binababang bola. Kalishin. De La Cruz. Pyramid shot. No good. And rebound by Innovitz. Won by number. Up. Same ball. Red ball. Scala. Mark Del Villar. Scala. Velasco. Nope. Rebound by number 15. Pasok Kalishin. Binababang bola. Kalishin slicing. And Lara almost had the ball. Akala yata pa-drive niya si Kalishin pero last spot, dinisyo po niya kayang pasa. 9 minutes remaining. Modesto. Escala again. Modesto ni mag-isa. Pops up. Bang! 3 points. Modesto, 3 points. Change favor kalat po tayo. 3-4. Laman na po ang Super Friends. Kalishin. Pops up. 14 again. No good. Eto na. Mark Del Pilar. and Ibarra. Modesto again. Natira mag-isa. Wala. Greg De La Cruz had the letter. Nakuha ni Escala ang bola. Escala driving and Ibarra for popping. No good. Again, isa pa daw. Fresh 14. Escala, no good. Rebound by Scott. Pinababang bola. Scott slicing. Ayun, kay Kalisin. 2 points, Kalisin. 2 points. Escala, 67 Escala. Ibarra again. Escala na yung mag-isa against Kalisin. Bondesto driving. Malakas and rebound to Belara. Kalisin on the run po ang mga puting shirt. And Scott na yung mag-isa. Kinalawa, no good. Number 15. Nakuha ni Ibarra bola. Ibarra to Bondesto. On the run. 3-on-2 situation. Bondesto. Floater shot. No good. Rebound by Bondesto again. Bondesto, nagtipto po siya. Balik po lumos sa puti ang bola. Okay, Lorraine, nandiyan na rin po. Pumasok na rin sa court na to. Please take note po, wala po nitong barangay rules mo for sure. Dalaglagan po kasi ito. Same final sa kasi. Samsung Gap is watching. Scott. De La Cruz. Inside. Okay, 6-7-4 na po ang score po at 6 minutes 59 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Escala, 67. Escala, against Kalisin. Escala, driving. Ayun kay Velasco, popping. Nope, 50 for the rebound. Scott, binababa ang bola. Scott kay Kalisin, pops up. Nope, rattled out. Escala naman, nagmamadali. Escala, Ibarra, sa ilalim, dukot, wala, nako ni Lara, nope, nako ni Escala muli, Escala, punto Bondesto kay Bondesto. Mark Del Pilar for 3. Nope, rebound by number 15 ng Herbax sa Citados. Escala again, against Ibarra, against Palpal. Okay, block number 1, registered na by Mr. Velasco. Yan pa mga magpapa-black party mo sa Velasco. Hindi. Okay, again. Lara, floater shot, no good rebound. De La Cruz pops up. Bang! Ibarra na yun, mag-isa kabila. Ibarra, papasa kay Del Pilar, slicing. Deisho pass, Ibarra yung mag-isa naman sa kabila. No! Laram, Scott, nakalusot, Scott, nako, sayang, foul on Bondesto called for a foul. Colina, 15, shooting for 2. Tubig Colina ng Janas. Parang humaba rin yung tabok niya. Sabi Colina ng Janas, naglalaro, ba? Pero bakit may Colina? Yung Colina ng Janas, diba? Colina ng Janas, okay. Hindi ko napansin. Iba kasi yun yung itsura niya. Papamait yata. Second throw by Colina. 15, pops up. It's in. The score right now is 11-4, a 7-point lead. Being posted now by Herbax Acetados. Gado against De La Cruz. For 3. Offline. Out of the bounds. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. 5:19 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Ito po na si Kalisin. HB kicks now this inside also. Kalisin for 3. Nope, it's Colina. Pops up, Greg, inside. Herbax Acetados out. Laman na po ng siyam at 4 minutes 4 remaining. Bondesto, Ibarra, pops up, no good. H-Big gets Snoop. It's Ibarra. Ibarra, binitbit. 2 points, Ibarra. Ibarra, 2 points. Good shot by Ibarra. Pag puminit yan, nope, muntik na. Scott. Oy, muntik na. Ibarra for 3. Nope. Rebound. And Ibarra na naman to Gado. Gado, 2 points, Gado. Gado, 2 points. Colina. HB Kings. Scott driving. 2 points, Scott. Scott, 2 points. 15-8 po score po natin yun. 15-8. 7.8 nga po posted. Nope. Scott again. Gado. Pops up. Nope. Bondesto. Nope. Ibarra. Wala pa rin. Colina. Pops up. Bang. There. Okay, also Ison is pressing also. Time at no Super Friends at 3:01 remaining. The score right now 17-8. A 9-point lead advantage being posted by the men in white. Yan po ang Hairbox Asentados. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 3:01 remaining sa ating larong pong ito. Okay, number 18 na Super Friends. Maglalabas, magbola po. Then bibigay kay Ibarra. Ibarra, binababa po rin Ibarra. Ibarra. Bondesto. Against Scott. Bondesto na yung mag-isa. Nope. Rebound by Lorena. To Kalisin again. Kalisin for 3. Nope. Velasco naka-rebound. Binababambol ni Velasco. Ibarra. Velasco. Nope. Rebound by HB Kicks. Nakuha ni Bondesto ang bola. And to Gado. Ibarra for 3. Ayaw muna. Ibarra, fumble. Nakuha ni HB Kicks ang bola. HB Kicks, double team. HB Kicks. Ayun. Lorena for 3. Pops up, inline, offline, outside. Greg De La Cruz. HB Kicks. Wow! Hindi lang referee yan, pati sports pa rin. Hans. HB Kicks. Or should I say si Hans po yan? Hans shooting for 2. Hans shooting for 2. First shot no good. Second throw. Okay, tara. Okay, Velasco labas muna. Nice game by Velasco. Mark Del Pilar in. Dito magkakatalo-tulo paano i-rotate yung mga team nila. Yung kanilang mga players, lalo po sa Hairbox. Medyo depleted po ang lineup ngayon ng Hairbox compared to Super Friends. Gado pops up. 2 points, Gado, 2 points. And Kalisin, binababa ulit ni Kalisin. No! Rebound by number 18. And naman, Escala, 67. Nawalang bola. Nice steal by Lorena. Lorena diving. Oh! Same ball for sure. It's same ball. 17 seconds. 18-10 ang score po natin at 1 minute and 14 remaining kay Scott. Scott for 3. Nope. Kalisin almost had the ball. Scott, ginugulo. Passing lane. Out of bounds. Naku po, wag na magtamaan yung scoreboard niya. Napakamahal po yan. Hands. Lorena to Kalisin, pops up, running shot, no good. One more time, number 4 ni Hans, Greg de la Cruz, no. Lorena naman, pops up, wala pa rin. In the final minutes, good ball. Final minutes mo, I think we'll begin. Gado, no steal. One more time. Pops up and one play. Okay, Pineda shooting for the bonus free throw. Foul number 1, HB kicks. 18-12 per score po nila, Pineda pops up, wala. Rebound by Lorena. Now, then to Kalisin, pinababa ang bola. Scott. Lorena, wala pa rin. Okay, that's it. The score is 18-12. First quarter, leading pa rin po ang team Hairbox Asentados, the men in white. Standby po tayo po para sa ating second quarter action. If you notice, I think in the last minutes po medyo nagbi-miss po ang team po ni Hairbox. We'll see what adjustment they will make now for the second quarter. While Super Friends still have to find the mark.
Second quarter.
Okay, second quarter will start right now with Super Friends inbounding. That's the Utah number 18 for the inbound to Gado. Binababambo ni Gado. Contesto. Ayan na naman siya. Velasco, double teamed. Velasco, nakulusot. Naku, malakas. Kalisin. Naku ni Gado bola. Gado. Sayang, hindi nakita ni Velasco ang pasa. Okay, this game was brought by Janice Gumeteo. Mamili po tayo, Team Spicy, Team Normal. Mamili po kayo, Janice Gumeteo. And now to Mr. Kalisin. Padruga. And now to Lorena, muntik pa. Velasco naka-rebound. Ibarra, bala ka sa pasa. Paparap. And now, Kalisin driving. Ayan si Lorena, pops up. No good. Rebound by Colina. Walang foul. And Ibarra, mag-isa. 2 points Ibarra. Don't look now, it's 18-14. Apat na po kalamangan ng team Team Asentados or Hairbox, Kalisin. Paduka. Pops on the foul! Si Paduka yan.
Foul number 18.
Paloko, sorry, that's Paduka. Paloko pala, si Paloko.
Second foul, first team foul, Super Friends.
Okay, Colina shooting for 2. Number 15 shooting for 2 by Colina. Pops up. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Still the men in red trailing behind by 4 points. Second shot, Colina. Pops up. It's in. 8:30 remaining. 19-14. Gato, binababa ang bola. Sir Munoz, good din po si Sir Munoz. And good luck po pala po sa Team Airport United. Good ball! Sa upcoming Aviation Friendly League, Stop us the Flying League. Nice one by Kalisi. Okay, shout out po pala po, I forgot ha. Airport United will now play also sa Aviation Friendly League, double sa Flying League po. The league now will start on August 22 onwards. Yan. Gado, no good. One more time, nakuha ni Colina bola. Colina. Paloko. Lorena. Kalisin. Malakas. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Kalisin. Again, 9 points. Muli po ang kalamangan po ng Hairbox sa Sentados over Ayesh and Friends. Ibarra, nagbalay, hindi pumasok.
Foul number 13,
Lara called for the foul. Pineda pasok muna. Ibarra shooting for 2. Dayuta labas muna para kay Pineda. Pops up. It's out. Second throw ni Ibarra. Jumpers ready. Ibarra second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Ibarra second shot. It's in. Okay, 23-15. Laman po ng 8 ang team Hairbox. Paloko. Kalisi for 3. Bang! 3 points by Kalisi. RJ Masbang is watching also. Good luck naman po kay RJ Masbang di po sa liga po na Aviation Friendly League, dapat sa Flying League. Hop. Ingat lang. Foul. Holding foul. Sabi ni referee po, holding foul against Velasco. Velasco called for a foul. Second team, ISM Team Super Friends po. And Kalisin, do Paloko. Paloko, binababa ang bola. Paloko against now. Lorena. Kalisin. Offensive pick.
Foul number 13, offensive foul. Lara, second foul, second.
Legal script po ginawa niya. Hop! Teka lang.
Lara, Chini.
Good ball! Buti na lang. Mabilis ang aking kamay. Buti na, mabilis ang aking kamay. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Labing isa na po pala po. Kalaman po ng Hairbox over Super Friends. Ibarra. The men in red still trailing. Ibarra for 3. Bang! Ayun na. Sabi ni Ibarra, labing isa baka mo. No, hindi. Walo na lang yan. Okay. Now, kay Paduka ng kay Paloko against Ibarra. Double team. Kalisin naman. Kalisin driving. Colina popping. 2 points Colina. Bondesto malakas. Rebound here by HB Kicks. Kalisin. Atloko for 3. Look. Rebound. Foul. For sure, kasi kay Colina yan. Colina called for the foul for sure.
Foul, Colina, number 15.
Colina number 15 called for the foul. Scott pumasok muna para kay Paloko. Now still si Mr. Escala, pinababa ang bola. Escala, Pineda again. Pineda, lagat pamapasahan. Pineda, driving. Bondesto, slicing. Wala. No foul. Kalisin, pinapamambon ni Kalisin. Colina, malakas. Scott, Colina again. Foul goal. Okay, good morning, Qatar. Good morning, world. It's already now past 12 o'clock midday Qatar Standard Time, and we're still watching right now sa ating laro po for the last semi-finals match po rather, between Super Friends and of course, Team Hairbox Asintados. As of now, 10 po kalamangan po ng Hairbox Asintados sa men in white, lamang po ng 10 over Team Red po, yan po ang Super Friends. Pops up Colina. Yes, straight. It's in. Colina. 29-18. This is not the biggest lead so far. Lemuel Acreds watching. Ibarra for 3. No. Rebound. Greg De La Cruz. Escat driving. Escat. No. It's Greg. Greg De La Cruz. Malakas. Hey! Nice hustle by Colina. 4 minutes 31 remaining sa ating second quarter action. 29-18 na score po na. The biggest lead so far held by Mr. Hairbox and Company. Hairbox Asintados. Pineda, no good. Rebound by Kalisin driving. Scott for the pop-up shot. Nope. Rebound. Nice one. Great big kick. Get back. Doon ka na. Mag-coach ka na doon. Nagpa-vlog ka. Ito na naman. Escala popping. Nako. Velasco. No good. One more time. Nako. It's got the bola. Big kicks, tapos. One more time. 2 points, big kicks. Okay, they smell blood. They have to time out already. Time out done called by Super Friends. The time remaining now is 3 minutes 34 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Lamang po ang the men in white. Yan po ang Hairbox Asintados. Mukhang Asintados yata sila ngayon. Lahat gumagana. Lahat konti kay Asintados talaga. Eh, siyempre, still they have to find the mark and to try to crawl back into the ball game. At stake here is the right to face Cardinals in the Pinoy Hoopers Basketball League Championships. Yan po, sina Talents, team po ni Talents, nag-aantay na po sa mga kalaban po nila. Yan, Talents pa and win. Of course, si Master King din for sure. Si Master King. Talents and Gaukom and Company. Escala, wala pa rin. Kalisin, binato, kay SB Kicks, nakuha. Bondesto naman, nagmamadali naman, Bondesto, against Scott. Bondesto, 2 points Bondesto. Bondesto, 2 points. Kalisin, number 16. Kalisin. HB Kicks. HB Kicks. Lara. Kalisin. HB Kicks. Sayang, hindi nakatalo. Escala. Ibarra again against Scott. Escala again. Escala. Escala. Bondesto. Bondesto driving. Inside. Counted. Basket made.
Foul number 13, Lara. Lara, third personal foul.
Lara, third personal foul. Okay. Asentados goes for the timeout. 33-22, still an 11-point lead, still held by team Hairbucks. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 minutes 30 remaining. 2 minutes 30 remaining. And Bondesto shooting for 2. Tama, shooting for 2. Shooting for 2. Yeah, shooting for 2. Shooting for 1. Jumpers ready. 1 shot, Bondesto. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by HB Kicks. Velasco, HB Kicks, sa kalusot. Scott. HB Kicks. HB Kicks. Lorenia pops up. 2 points Lorenia. Lorenia 2 points. Again, eto na naman siya. Ibarra against si Scott. Ibarra. Ibarra driving. Binutbit. Nakuha. Lorenia. HB Kick. Siyang bumababa ng bola ngayon. Point guard position. Again, Kalisin. Kalisin. For 3. Again, look. Lorenia. Lorenia nakapasok. To Kalisin again. Kalisin. Scott. Nang sumagsak. Pop sa for 3 again. Look. Red ball. Red ball, sabi ng referee, red ball. It's red, it's ball, it's red. Ma'am Cathy, laman po si Naison, ma'am. 38-22. Hop, foul called. I repeat, the score is 38-22. Laman po ang Hairbucks Asentados.
First foul.
Hairbucks Asentados. Penalty situation, team Hairbucks penalty situation. Now on the line now is number 18, Dayuta. Meron daw, sabi nila. Second shot, number 18. Yung bata, yung bata, yung bata. Yung bata, yung bata. Yung bata, yung bata, yung bata. 38-24, ang 40 in the advantage field, enjoyed by Hairbucks Asentados. Lorenia, pops up. 2 points Lorenia. Binato na. Bondesto naman. Palpak! the lefty. 49 seconds remaining. Second quarter action is drawing to close. Velasco. Velasco Surevia. Velasco naman. Walang foul. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Big pass, Surevia. Touch pass. Velasco is it. Wala, lumabas. Dayuta. Against now. Ibarra naman. Nawala ang bola kay Ibarra. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Okay, sabi po yung Madam Cathy ng PSBQ, nice! Sana tuloy-tuloy na yan. Maraming salamat po. And this game also is simulcast also sa kanilang own PHBL FB page. Please support po ang kanilang FB page po ng PHBL. Loremia. Loremia. Kalisi. Kick pass. Escat. Escat naman. Escat. Escat muli. Malakas. Press 14 seconds cut lang. Hop! Okay, time's up.
Second quarter.
Okay, second quarter drawn to a close. Halftime po tayo. 40-24. Ay, siyempre still trailing behind by 16 points. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon, mga boss, mga madama. Third quarter action about to start right now. The score is 40-24. 16 points. 16 points po ang advantage po ngayon ng Team Hairbox Asintado sa men in white. Over the men in red po, yan po ang Super Friends. Okay, Greg De La Cruz now for the inbound. Okay, third quarter is about to start right now with Greg De La Cruz with the inbound.
Third quarter. Nabaliktad ba kaya? Tumingin kaya? Tumingin?
Okay, Greg De La Cruz now inbounding
Ang Hairbox Asintado.
to Kalisin. Lorembia pumosisyon. 3. Ang tinira niya, wala. Bondesto. Gado. Escala again. Against Kalisin. Escala. Ayun. Palpal. Pero may foul si HB Kicks.
Foul. Number 1, Gene. Second personal foul. First team foul team. Hairbox Asintado.
Dayuta number 18 shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Okay, 40-25. 15-point lead advantage by Hairbox Asintados. Kalisin. HB Kicks. Kalisin. Escat naman. Escat driving. Uy! Sayang. Muntik lang. Uy! Same ball.
12 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot.
Kalisin. De La Cruz. Greg. No. Rebound. Okay.
Foul. Number 18, offensive foul.
Bondesto, number 18, offensive foul.
First team.
Balik muli po sa puti ang bola.
14 seconds.
Sa mata ng referee, mukha na si Escat kasi. Sinayang yung po. Sinayang yung bago 40 second shot clock. Okay, thank you very much. Pineda, fadeaway shot, no good, tap out to Loremia, binababa ang bola. Loremia, walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa pula ang bola. Red ball. Okay. Escala scaling the defense. Ayun! Nice steal by Kalisin.
13 under lead.
Nice D by Kalisin. One more time. Bondesto against Escat. Bondesto. Malakas. Isa pa. Dayuta. Wala pa rin. Get out. Escat. Binababa ng bola. On the run. White shirts. Ayun. Kalisin. 2 points Kalisin. 2 points. Again, 42-25. A 17-point lead advantage now been posted by Hairbox Asentados. Pops up. Bang! Gado, 3 points. Kinakalaan nila yan at marami pang dapat nilang gawin para sila makabalik. Loremia running shot, 2 points. Loremia running shot, 2 points, pasok. Escala naman. Gado, pinapantayan na sa arko. Escala for 3. Look. Pineda, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Kalisin. Lorena. Woy! Greg almost had the ball. Gado. 3-on-2 situation. Hey! Counted yun? Okay. Referee says counted. Bench called for a foul. Counted ang shot ni Bondesto.
Scott taking foul.
Scott second foul. Bondesto count yung shot niya. Good Bondesto. Number 18 shooting for the bonus free throw.
44-13.
Bondesto pops up. It's in. Pasok si Bondesto. Kalisin, number 16. Herb HB kicks. One more time. Kalisin. Greg De La Cruz pops up. Nope. Rebound by Pineda. Eto na si Gado nagmamadali. Gado again. Gado. Ayun. And one play na naman. Back to back and one play be posted now by Bondesto, trying to wake up his team and to crawl back to the ball game. Bondesto, bonus free throw. 44-33 from the high of 17 points down to 11 points po ang kalamangan po ng Airbacks Asintados. Bondesto, it's in. 10 na lang. 44-34.
Score 44.
6 minutes 45 remaining. Third quarter action. Lorena pops up. Pasok. Okay, sabi ni Lorena, hep. 12 muli kalaman po natin. Sinabi niya, Lorena 2 points. Gado. Ibarra again. Binabatay na ako niya. Gado naman. Pasok ang Gado. Gado 3 points, 46-37. A 9-point lead being posted now by Team Asentados over Ayesha and Friends, or Super Friends rather. And Kalisin lagi si Guevara. Kick pass kay Scott. Scott driving. Scott naipit. Kalisin. Scott for 3. Nope. Dud. Okay, Bondesto, 2 points. And timeout called now by Airbacks Asintados. Okay, again, 46-39. Pito na naman ang kalamangan ng Airbacks and Asintados from the height of 17. A 10 to nothing blast being posted by Ayesha and Friends, or Super Friends. And good morning Qatar. It's already now 12:25 a.m. Qatar Standard Time. Mga kasama po ngayon, maganda uminom po tayo ng mainit na kape habang nanonood na ito kahit ang token. Okay. Uminom po tayo ng mainit na kape po parate. Para hindi tayong token. At good morning sa Pilipinas din po pala. Okay, Greg De La Cruz. Kalisin. Greg. Escat naman. Escat for 3. Bang! 3 points Escat. Escat 3 points. 5:27 remaining. Pops up. Gado. No good. Velasco. Rebound. Velasco 2 points. 2 points ang Velasco. 2 points Velasco. Kalisin. Scaling the defense. Kalisin. Colina. Greg De La Cruz. team foul. Ouch.
Foul number 3,
Gado, number 3 called for the foul. Gado, una pa lang yan. Second team foul ng Super Friends.
14 to shoot.
Loremia pops up. Kapos. Rebound by Colina. No, Escat. Escat for 3. Malakas. Intercepted by Kalisin. Kalisin! Nice shot by Kalisin. Gado. Second personal foul. Back-to-back fouls po committed by Gado. 49-41. Walo na po kalamangan po ng team Hairbacks Asintados, the men in white. First shot, Kalisin made. Second shot, jumpers ready. 4:33 remaining. 4:33 remaining. Kalisin again. It's in.
Gado out from the series.
Okay, Gado, malabas muna si Gado.
41.
Contesto, 40 minutes po para kay Gado, pero nursing siya ng 3 personal fouls rather. Ganda na siya para sa fourth quarter action. Velasco, narsundot. Kalisin. Kalisin again. Kalisin, 2 points. Ipara for 3. No, offline. Pilato kay Kalisin. Kalisin against 2. Loremia. Loremia, 2 points na yan. Lista na yan. 2 points na yan para kay Loremia. Contesto. Contesto. Running shot. No good. No foul. Again on the run. Kalisin. Escat. Escat, 2 points. Again, they regain the lead. Again, they regain the lost grounds. Again, 16 points being posted by team Asintados. Si Pareco nandito din pala. Si Pareco nandito sa ano. Okay, Pareco also is here also pala. Nanonood. Okay, 3 minutes 36 remaining. Laming-ani muli po kalamangan. At 7-2 nating blast been posted again by Hairbacks Asintados. Okay, second. Balik tayo. Ipara for the inbound. Di pinsa. Okay, game. Gado. Pinapabang bola. Ipara. Velasco again against Colina. Double team. Velasco pops up. No good. Rebound. Velasco naman. 2 points Velasco. Velasco 2 points. Ma'am. Kalisin. Pops up. No foul. Nakuha ni Gado. Ibarra on the run. Ibarra. Contesto naman. Contesto. 2 points Contesto. Nice shot by Contesto. 57-45 again. Again, they're crawling back. 12-point lead na makalabangan ng team Hairbacks. Kalisin. Kalisin. Hop! Nawala ang bola. Gado, foot race. Lost the ball. Tinaka na mo yung simbot para mahaming bola niya. Okay. 2 minutes 23 remaining. 57-45. Escat. Escat slicing. Oh, yun! Loremia! Loremia! Inside! Send to Greg De La Cruz. Wala. Up. Red ball. Red ball, sabi rin, red ball. Red ball daw sa Red Bull. Red ball pala, Red Bull. Red ball. Red ball. Eto na, sino ka? Gato, Ibarra. Pinasulman, Ibarra. Gato for 3. Bang! Ibarra connection. Pasok. Gato for 3. 59-48, 11 na naman kalamangan ng team Hairbox. Ay sentados. Kalisin. Running shot doon si Remia. 2 points si Remia. Loremia 2 points. Ibarra.
Second break.
Ibarra. Dayuta. Montesto. 3 points Montesto. Okay, 10 na naman ang kalamangan ng Asentados. Hairbox. The men in white, 10-point lead. Been posted. Loremia driving. Scott. Nice one by Loremia. 2 points Loremia. Lucky break also. Again, another one. Kalisin. Lost the ball. Gato, Ibarra. 2 points. Okay, after 3 quarters, lamang pa rin po ang Team Asentados. Coming to the 4th quarter action, only 10 points, 63-53. The story so far, Asentados held the biggest lead at 17 points, but being crawled back again and again by Ayesha. But still, ang kanilang rally po, their rally is being quelled also by Asentados, leading now to this point, 63-53, coming to the 4th quarter action. Waiting po lang po, kasama naman sa media center po ng PHBL po, si Sir Winwin at si Hairbox po, ang stakeholder naman ng Team Asentados. Ito po ang ika po media center po ng PHBL. Tatlo po kami mga vloggers po dito. Isa po doon, si Sir Winwin po, yan po ang yung pinaka official ng PHBL. Please like their page po, PHBL Basketball League, sa kanilang FB page, to be updated po sa upcoming events po ng kanilang liga. Okay, final quarter, live final 10 minutes to determine kung sino po makakalaban ng Cardinals sa championship. Ibarra for the inbound. To Gado again. Isang pirador to Ibarra. Again, eto na. Contesto. Lara and Velasco combination. Meron kung pops up. Gado again. Pops up. 3 points. Gado 3 points. 63-56. Scott, no good. Pito na lang po kalamangan ng team Hairbox. 9:19 remaining. Contest over 3. No good. Rebound battle. Up. Which ball rep? White ball. White ball, the represents white ball. Kalisin. Greg De La Cruz, pops up. Malakas. Gado against Kalisin. Gado, pinapadali Kalisin. Contesto, driving strong. Take 2.
Foul. Lorena. Actually, 13. Lara.
Lara called for a foul again.
Lara, one for Larry.
Velasco, no good. Isa pa, Dayuta, yes. 63-58. Don't look now, a 5-point lead. 5-point lead being handled now by Team Hairbox Asentados. Hairbox hanging now in a precarious 5-point lead. Again, Bontesto on the run. Bontesto. And one play!
Passing foul, Bontesto. Foul number 26, Scott.
It's Carlo for a foul. Bontesto number 18, 2 points.
Scott.
Chance now to crawl back now to make it 2. I think the fatigue factor now is going in now para po sa Hairbox and friend. Hairbox and Asentados. Dahil medyo depleted po kasi ang kanilang lineup and completed po ang play nila. .8:14 remaining. 63-61 ang score. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game in our midst. Eto na tayo. Mr. Loremia, foul!
Foul number 18, Bontesto.
Bontesto, third foul po ni Bontesto. Loremia must win, must make free throws para kay Loremia to keep them at bay. Pops up, it's out!
Score, 63-61. Dalawa na lang po ang
Second shot, Loremia, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Both baskets were made. Again, Bontesto. Foul. Di pa, wala pa.
Foul number 15, Colina. Colina sa foul, 13.
Colina ko para foul.
14 sila.
Ibarra for 3. No good. Velasco. 2 points, Velasco. Tabla. Okay, first deadlock after some time. 63 all tayo. Sayang.
Foul number 6, Velasco. Correction lang. Team Hairbox Asentados sa second foul. Both teams second foul.
Both teams, second team foul are piece.
Velasco number 6, second personal foul.
Kalisin. Scott pops up. Nope. Gato. Ibarra. Against Loremia. Ibarra. Football. Foul.
Foul number 25, Lorena.
Loremia called for a foul.
13 foul.
Pinasa.
14 seconds.
Ibarra again. Velasco. Velasco. And timeout, change favor. For the first time, the red shirts are in lead. After 3 quarters, 7-3 and 3 quarters and 3 minutes. Sa wakas, nakalamang na muli po ang Ayesha. 7:05 remaining. Ayesha, or should we say Super Friends? Super Friends. Hanging now by a 2-point lead. Salamat po sa back-to-back basket at counted po ni Bondesto. At the same time, yung 3 points po ligado. Kaya sila nakabalik.
Laban na po.
Red shirts ang bumalik po. Nakabalik na po at sila nakalamang na po ang Super Friends. This video is made on demand by my friend. Para Viva Max po tayo, video on demand. Kalisin for 3. Bang! Okay! Nice play, bimap up para Kalisin. Nice play, bump up by the coaches po ng Hairbox Sentados. Balik muli po tayo sa isa para Hairbox. Velasco, umilit na. Velasco, big double team. Velasco, pops up, 2 points. Velasco, 2 points. Kalisin. Greg De La Cruz, 2 points, Greg De La Cruz. Greg De La Cruz, 2 points. Pops up, Bondesto. 2 points again, Bondesto. Orange basketball team, si Melvin po yan, is watching. Escat naman for 3. Bang! 3 points. Galing yun. Yung 3 points na yun ni Scott. Si Scott na mapagsabi nun. Okay. Binabantay na si Gado. Ibarra. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Lorena. Kalisin. Binababa ng bola. Up. White red ball. Nice deep by Gado. Nice DM. Balik ulit tayo. Timeout. Timeout no by Super Friends. 71-69. Balik pa rin po ang Hairbox sa Kalamangan.
Hairbox sa Sentados, may dalawa pa.
This is your host with you, Arvin G. Vlog, si Joe, along with the inside the media center po ng Pinoy Hoopers Basketball League. Along with Hairbox and of course si Sir Win-Win. Yung kanilang official video po. You're watching right now the semi-finals match of 2 best of 3. The last finals for the last final slot against nandiyan po para kalabanin po ang Cardinals. Oryx pasa siya. Shoutout po kay Ibes. Sabi ni Coach Melvin. Oryx Basketball League also will join the Aviation Federation as a flying league. This coming 22 of August ang start po ng liga nila. Ibarra again! Nope! Kalisin. Nope. Lorena. Oh! Pow! Ay, traveling. Naipit ang bola kay Lorena. Kaya traveling siya ngayon. Okay, ito na tayo. Escala, binababa ang bola. Bondesto. Again. Velasco. Power move. Velasco. Pop. Traveling violation called. Nice D by the white shirts on Velasco. Babagi din, shout out po kay Coach Melvin ng Oryx. Offensive pick.
Number 15, Molina, offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Third foul. Warning for penalty, Team Herbal Sasentados.
Okay, Herbax Citados now for first 14 points already, over 2 naman ng team, ayan, Team Super Friends. Gado, binahabol na. Gado, hinabol ni Kalisin. Escala naman. Escala, Dramisyong. Kick pass kay Bondesto. Bondesto, palpal. Tama, Bondesto, pops up. 2 points for Bondesto. Bondesto, 2 points.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. Score all 7-1.
Escape for 3. No. Rebound, Velasco. Bondesto again. No. Rebound. Shutdown. Sina-shutdown niya, no? Okay, Loremia pops up. No. Foul. Penalty situation.
Kulina, Warner Brothers. Penalty.
Penalty situation, team Herbax Sasentados.
Penalty na muna.
Dayuta, number 18, shooting for 2. First shot made. Lamang muli po ang Team Super Friends. Second shot by Dayuta. Basket made. Both basket made. Kalisin. Scott. Kalisin for 3. No. Greg de la Cruz. Ba!
Fourteen ka na, 14.
Velasco, ano na? Maublo yung bola. Teddy na. Hindi yung dipinda din Velasco yung bola eh. 73-71. White daw, sabi ng referee, White. Kalisin against Gado. Kalisin. Loremia Tescat for 3. Nope. Rebound. Ouch. Sumapit siya. Sumapit yung kamay niya sa red net. Napalakas. Loremia, thank you 3, ayaw niya. Loremia, fadeaway shot, no good. Hey! Rebound! Okay, chance now. 2 minutes 51 remaining. Escala. Gado. Velasco. Good ball. Scott. No good. Pagod na rin yata, I think so. Pagod na yun, no? Gato for 3! No! Rebound! Again, press 14. No good seal. Foul! 2 minutes 6 remaining. We're now approaching down the twilight zone ng quarter ng semifinals na to. 2 minutes 4 remaining and last 2 minutes. minutes. Last 2 minutes. Lorena. No foul, no foul. Foul. Napako sa 71.
Number 16, Kalisi.
Kalation called for a foul. Bondesto shooting for 2.
Kalisi, first personal foul.
Bondesto, first shot. It's out. Bondesto, second shot. Jumpers ready. Bondesto, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Bondesto, second shot. It's in. Okay, ito na. Sigurado rito, kinakailangan. Kalisin. Nakuha ng pick. Kalisin for 3. Lob, ayaw niya. De La Cruz. Greg De La Cruz pops up. Bang! 2 points. They need a stop now for Hairbacks and friends. Hairbacks, assistants dito to stop. They need a stop. Ibarra. Bondesto, thinking 3. Ayaw. Bondesto. Difficult shot. Nakuha siya na bola. Ito na. Chance again. Foul on Gado. Gado called for a foul.
Number 3, Gado. Third foul.
4 foul po. 1 for penalty po ang team Super Friends Ayetcha and Friends or Super Friends po rather. Hairbacks. Penalty na po sila after some time already. A minute and 5 remaining, 70-74. Team Super Friends still on the lead by 1 point. Scott. Kalisin again. Greg De La Cruz pops up. Tapos. Good ball. Up si Daisy. White ball. Nice stop by Hans. Nice stop by Hans. Loremia. Nawala ang bola. Kalisin. 5 seconds remaining. Kalisin. Greg De La Cruz. No good. Gado. No good. Ibarra. Velasco. Ibarra again. Gado for 3. Bang! Out! Gado saves the day. Gado saves the day. 17-5. 70.5 remaining. Grabe. What a shot by Gado. What a shot by Gado.
Beautiful game. Scoreline 77-73. Okay na? Okay na na.
Okay. Tignan natin kung ano mangyari dito. Kalisi going strong. Tapos. I think the fatigue factor had set in already. Tansya ko lang. Mas depleted ang team kasi ng Hairbacks. Still, Velasco, 2 free throws. It's it. Okay, that's it. Pasok na si McGrady. Velasco again. Pops up. Okay. 73-79. Anim ang kalamangan. Okay, that's it. Winner by 6 points, 70-79. Team Super Friends. Wait, diba, maraming salamat po muli po and good luck po sa kanila po sa championship against Cardinals. Maraming salamat po and see you po again next time. Thank you very much.